Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a beginner friendly video on how to make a crochet braids. So guys, if you want to see a video on how to make a crochet braiding hair, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, having said that, let's get started. Guys, for this tutorial we are going to need a pair of scissors, some hair coilers, okay, a comb, and we're also going to need some braiding hair or attachment, and the attachment I'm using is from Expression in color 1, okay. And also we are going to need a tissue paper, okay guys. This is just normal tissue paper, okay, normal tissue paper. So guys, right now I'm going to cut the attachment and then show you guys the cuttings in which I'll be doing, okay guys. So guys, once you've opened up the attachment, okay, this is what it will look like. Once you've opened it up, okay, you're going to cut it into two from here, okay. And then when you cut into two, okay guys, I'm going to show you the cutting in which I'll be making for this crochet braid, okay, because I'll be making a very short crochet braid, okay. I'm going to cut the one part of the braid into 4, okay. This is 1, 2, like 2, 3 and 4, okay guys. So guys, right now we're going to try to separate the braid, okay, just like this, as you usually do, as you would normally do, okay. So guys, this is the length, okay. So guys, when you're through with the feathering, okay, try to separate the braids, okay, just like this. I'll be applying some coconut oil, okay. This is in order to reduce friction, okay, to the hair. Using a comb, we just need to comb back the hair, okay. I'm just showing you guys how to prep your braiding hair for crochet braids, okay. So guys, because the surface of these hair coilers are rough, we are going to make use of a tissue paper in order to cover it, okay. So guys, draw a tissue paper on the surface of the hair coilers, okay. Take out some braiding hair in the size in which you want your crochet braids to be, okay. Then roll it on the hair coilers, okay. Trim out the rough ends, okay. So guys, then secure it, okay. Using a tissue paper, roll the tissue paper on the rough surface of the hair coilers, okay. take some braiding hair in the size in which you want your crochet braids to be, okay, and then roll them on the hair rollers, okay, hair coilers. So guys, you just need to trim out the ends, okay, and secure it, okay. So guys, when you are through rolling the crochet braids onto the hair coilers, okay, using a bucket or a pail, okay, put them in the pail. So guys, here I have a hot water, okay. I'm going to pour some hot water onto the crochet braids, okay, and then we are going to allow it to sit there for like 10 to 15 minutes, okay. So guys, after 15 to 20 minutes, okay, bring out the crochet braid, bring out the crochet braids, okay. Guys, now you are going to start loosening it, okay. I'm just going to start loosening it. So guys, this is what it looks like. So guys, I'll be using these crochet braids for a braidless crochet high puff hair tutorial. Okay guys, make sure you check out the video. I'll be putting the link up here, okay. So guys, you just need to keep on losing it, okay. So guys, this is what it looks like, okay. So guys, this is what a crochet braid looks like, okay. So guys, don't forget to check out my video on more videos on how to make crochet braids, okay, and also crochet wig tutorials and other wig tutorials and hair videos I've done so far, okay guys. Don't forget that in case you want to place your order, okay, don't forget to email me or comment in the comment section, okay guys. And also guys, I'll be making use of these crochet braids for a braidless crochet high puff head tutorial. Okay guys, also check out the video on that. I'll be putting the link up here. Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye bye.